I've been arrested. POV night drive. Let the car do all the talking. Yeah. Right, let's do a first lift on this. First lift, yeah. Oof, okay.
Have you ever been arrested for anything?
No, not for anything bad. No, I've been arrested, sorry.
Have you just finished work or something?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I just work on cars as a hobby.
Yeah. What, buying and selling them or repairing them? Bit of both.
More passionate classic cars.
Oh yeah?
I'm trying to get into restoring classic cars.
Oh right, fair play.
Because this 9 to 5 job, like, I graduated and everything and I thought it would be the dream, but this 9 to 5 is just something that wants to get you out of bed, and fixing cars for me and restoring cars gets me going, and that's all I want to do now, really.
So the day job just is to pay the bills?
Pay the bills, and hopefully it will help me support this business of fixing cars.
Have you got any points at the moment?
No. Basically, the police officer let me go. I wasn't breaking the speed limit. I was just doing within the speed limits on the highway. But he thought there was some racing involved because the car sounds crazy loud. But you know, may the Almighty God bless him, because he was just doing his normal check, and he let me go. And you know what? There are some good police officers out there, and he was one of them tonight. So I just want to say thank you very much to that officer who's pulled me over and just doing his normal checks and let me go. But we were actually talking about classic cars. He told me what do I do, and I told him, you know, I work and I fix cars, I buy salvage cars, and I want to restore classic cars. And he said, wow, that's very good. You're chasing your dream and your passion. And he goes, one day he'll bump into me. He said to me that maybe I could fix his cars. So we actually had a good laugh, and he just said, you know, take care and get home safe. So loud. guys enjoyed the video. You know, if you enjoyed it, you know, drop a comment down below and tell me what you guys think. If you ever been pulled over by the police, was it a good scenario or a bad scenario? And if you ever just went for a drive in the night time, you know, share me your experience. But apart from that, if you liked it, you know, drop a comment. If you want to see more night drive videos, POV drives, drop a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. So may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.